My name is Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com and also ProTinker on eBay. Well, I did a video just about 2 hours ago on this 1/5 RC car, and I had the wrong price. I'm sorry. But anyway, so I'm going to redo the video so the people don't have the right price. The car is initially retailed like $9.99 to $11.99, some places $12.99, and I got these things for $7.70. Okay, I got 4 of them. All right, and this is what they are. These things are 1/5 scale RC cars, gas powered, 30cc. I mean, this thing is just sweeter than a cow in a field. Okay, now I've never seen a cow in a field, but I'm telling you, they're sweet. All right, so this is the that didn't even make sense, but I don't care. So this is the remote, has all full function, and so this is the body. It's a Lexan body, okay? And so we're gonna take off the top. Now, just so you guys know, I am not an expert in RC cars. I'm an expert in just selling things, and I love to buy great deals. Okay, this is a gas powered, okay, 30cc 4-wheel drive desert truck. Okay, I mean, all the specs are on the listings. It's a length of 880 millimeters, fuel capacity 700 cc's, wheelbase 520 millimeter. I mean, it's all in the listing. But I mean, this thing is just sweet. It's gas powered. I mean, just absolutely awesome. Look at this thing. I mean, it is just sweet. If you don't have one of these in your collection, can you imagine going out into the desert or just out into the fields and just running this thing? I mean, this thing is just sweet. It's got foam tires, okay, shocks and everything. Just oh my gosh, just steel frame and all that. Okay, guys. Again, this was like a $9.99, $11.99 about 6 years ago, and I've got these. I got 4 of them. I think I've got a couple more coming, but they're 30 cc's, gas powered, and they're $770. Now the shipping can be a little. It says on eBay that the shipping is like $127. I have to do that because they don't allow me to do. Well, I can do UPS, but it won't put in my number. But if they're shipping in west of the Mississippi, okay, to California, it's going to be more, about $50, $60. But I could ship them east of the Mississippi, I think, for about 50 bucks or less, because I have a great UPS rate. So just call me, or if you're going to text me or send messages via eBay, just give me your zip code or your city and zip code, and then I can kind of give you an idea of what the cost of this is going to ship, okay? Because number one, all right, so let's put the top back on. Look at this body, good grief. Okay, so it's going to be, you're going to get it like this, all right? So it goes on like that, pretty sweet, all right? And then you have your 4 little clips. We're going to clip this thing on here, Get these in here like that. Really cool here. Really sweet. Now this is typical on all our RC cars, okay? Get this in here like that, okay? That got a little bent over because of your car. And then that's the remote, full function remote. Comes with a charger and everything to charge the remote and the battery. Comes in this nice little box, okay? And that box fits right here. That's why this post has bent over, because when they shipped this from the factory, it must have bent over the post, because you got to get this on just right so that it doesn't bend over the posts. And I think it does. Okay, so that goes there. Then we put on the plastic to keep it protected. Let's put that on first. There you go. There we go. Okay, and then our instructions, because I'm going to re-tape this up. This is all going to be, my brother had just taped it up, but it's going to be it comes in this box. This is from the factory from China, and it'll be double taped, triple taped, but this is how it's going to come. So that's why the package is big, but I still think I can get this shipped $50 east of the Mississippi, and probably I might even be able to get it $50 west of the Mississippi, because I have a great UPS rate. So if you want a 30cc RC car to just have a blast for the rest of the summer and into the fall, this is the car to get. So have fun and have fun RCing.